Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to another session. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about the lead generation tool, the automation. So you can automate your business through this tool, which I have developed. So in my timeline, I have shared on the last 2 weeks before, and that is a Facebook Messenger chatbot platform tool. This chatbot platform tool, you can build it your own chatbot. You can customize it and you can automate your response. Okay. So what I did is I built this tool and I made an automation for my lead generation. So in this video, I am going to talk about how I generate the leads and I will put it in the bucket that will automate the process. Okay. So come let's dive into the topic. So let me share my screen. Hold on. I'm going to share my screen. So yeah, I think you are seeing that you are able to watch the screen. So this is the tool. This is the autoresponder email automation tool. This is what I have purchased. In this tool, what I did is like I have created the webhook URL. Okay, that I have configured in my Facebook Messenger platform tool. Let me open it. Here it is. So this is the portal I have enabled it. Okay, so this is the dummy email ID and this is the webhook I have configured. Okay, for each user will be created this profile API key, and this is the access token we need to provide in the Facebook platform, and this is the page token we will get it from the Facebook. Once we are creating our Facebook app, and you will get this page token. Okay, that you need to configure here, and this is the access token you need to put it on here. And if you want, you can capture all the data to your automation tool. Here I am getting the data in my autoresponder tool. Okay, this is the API key. Based on this, the endpoint webhook endpoint will be created for each user. Okay, that I need to put it on our Facebook Messenger chatbot platform. I will explain you later those things. Okay, I will show you the demo how it is working and how it is automated the process. Okay, so I will show you the configuration part. Okay, see here I am having this much templates. We can have a button template, we can have a template to ask email, we can have a feedback form, we can have a kind of widgets, image widget, phone number, text, normal text, and a video, and a yes or no type of questions. Okay, so initially we need to start the flow with the welcome as a source. Okay, whenever the user start the conversation in our messenger chatbot, the welcome source only will be triggered in my application. Okay, so this is the source, sorry, this is the source, and equal response I am having it. Okay, so we are having the payload. For each payload you can see the next to welcome and the end. So next to welcome is the another source. After the welcome screen, what could be the another message? So here I am asking the what is your email. Okay, so next to email, what could be the other flow? You can ask a phone number, and next to phone, here the next to phone, what is the next to phone query we can raise. Okay, so this is how we have to make our flow using this widgets. For example, I'm selecting this button widget. So for a button, you need to have a this text and a button type and a redirect URL and button label. Okay, so this is how you need to fill all the details. See, for email you will have a different template, and a feedback you will have a different template, and a grid and image. So this is how I have built this application. Okay, and also I have put some help documentation. So this documentation will help you to create a welcome screen setup if you want to delete a variables, and if you want to know the user information. These things will help you to understand what do we need to achieve through this. Okay, so let me navigate to the Facebook Messenger platform. So guys, so this is the Facebook Messenger page. This is my page. Here I have configured my workflow. Okay, I have captured all the information through this. Whenever the user click on the send message, he will land up in this. Let me click on it here. Okay. Okay. So we'll be able to see. Hello, Prananya. Thanks for joining the conversation. It's automatically pick your name. Okay. So this kind of customization you can do with this tool. Okay. And once the user click on the get started, see, you will get automatically. This is the query. Are you really interested in my coaching program? So this is what the query. If user click on the yes, it will come into the another flow, like what is your primary email? Please tap that below display email address. If I just tap on, you just need to tap this email. So automatically it will capture. Okay. After this email, what is the next? If user doesn't have a mobile number, they can enter their mobile number. If they are already provide the mobile number means it will come as a displayed over here. You can just tap on it. Okay. After this mail phone number, you'll be able to see it's automatically taking to the another conversation, like whether you want to get instant access for my 7 days wealth secrets formula book. If you want, you can click on it. I will show you. Just to click on it, what you are getting. You will get to know. It's getting low. Wait for a few seconds. Yeah. Yes, guys, it's getting time to load. Please bear with me. Okay. See, it will take you to the another page where you can, if you want, you can redirecting them to any other pages if you want. Okay. Otherwise, if the user want to end the conversation, they have to click on the end conversation. In this time, what I did is like I'm asking whenever the user end the conversation, I'm asking the feedback. So this is the rate experience. How do you feel my services? That kind of feedback form we can get it filled by the user. Okay, once I click on the rate experience, you will get this form. See guys, once the user filled this feedback form, then only it will be captured in the custom webhook. Otherwise, it won't. Okay. In this submit only, the custom webhook will be triggered and store the information. I will show you the demo how it will be automatically place the detail which is you got it from your Facebook Messenger. Okay, I'm just filling 4-star, very satisfied. If you want, you can ask anything within this this area. Okay, it's up to you. When I submit it, see, you'll get another reply from the bot. You just need to wait for a moment. You'll be able to see your feedback received. Thanks for your feedback. What I am going to do is I'm just navigating to my webhook, whether the information is captured or not. I'm showing that. Not sure why this one's taking time. Okay. See, we'll be able to see this is the email and this is the phone number and this is the feedback form and this is the rating and this indicator the customer satisfaction question. Okay, so this This is how you can capture the information. If you want to put it in an email marketing autoresponder tool, means it will, once the user coming into the funnel, the flow will be started. Okay, the day by day autoresponder will be respond to the each email sequence. So you can build the sequence, and each day you can send out a mail. So by the way, you can make the customer put it into a funnel. So this is how this messenger platform tool will work out. In my case, I am planning in this autoresponder tool to make it as a automation. If you want to put it in a ConvertKit, if you want to get response, if you want to put it in an what I can say, Google Sheets, there are plenty of tools. Okay, plenty of tools we can put it in this automation. So that way I can help you. This tool is only explicitly for my community members. So whoever want to get access, you need to be part of my community. Then only you can get this access. I'm not giving this tool for others. Okay. So who are watching, please put it your query on this comment box. I will respond it, and there's my Facebook video, and whoever want to export and keep touch with me. Thanks for watching. Let me stop recording.